What is it?
Banana.
What is it?
Banana.
It's a whale.
Banana.
What does a whale do?
A wawa.
Goes in the wawa, right. What does he do,
A
though?
buga.
A beluga, right. He's like a beluga.
Buga song. A buga song.
The beluga song? Can you sing the beluga song? Let me hear. Sing. Baby.
Baby. A buga song.
Baby beluga.
A buga buga.
The beluga's in the water, right?
Oh, shit.
What is it?
Banana.
What is it?
Banana.
It's a monkey. What does a monkey say?
Ah.
Ooh, ooh, ha, ha.
A lion.
It's not a lion. What is it?
Banana.
It's a cat.
No.
Meow. Oh, there you go. Ooh, what's that?
A doggy.
A doggy.
This is
Looks like taco.
a doggo. It's eating.
He's eating, right.
Mac.
Mm.
A mac.
Why you smack?
A doggy mac.
Why you smack the doggy?
Mac.
Don't smack the doggy.
And eating.
He's eating. Turn the page. What's next? Turn the page. What else?
A
Turn.
doggy.
It's a doggy. But what's next? Let's turn the page. One more. Gotta turn off the video in a minute. Here.
Wow. It's a doggy.
It's like a doggy. I think it's like a... Ooh, what are those?
A beaver.
It's like a zebra. I don't think it's a zebra. I think it's a horse.
It's eating.
What?
It's eating.
I don't know what that means.
A bow.
What's this one?
Nana.
Giraffe.
A calf.
He's high, high, high up in the sky.
Nana.
Well, it's like a mouse. Squeak, squeak, right?
Nana.
Okay, I think that's it.
Nana.
Oh, what's that?
Nana.
It's a fish. What does the fish say?
No, just.
Whoa, look at that fish with a big mouth.
Oh, it's muff.
What is that?
Oh, Nana.
What is that?
Oh, Nana.
Why is everything nana? It's a shark.
The sock.
Right. Shark goes in the water.
Oh, sissy.
Oh, fishies.
Oh.
Okay, that's it.
A cock.
It's kind of like a quack quack. Why are you smacking everything?
A cock.
Don't smack the quack quack.
Boop. Boop.
Look, he has fish in his mouth. Eats fishies.